Hi everyone.
Phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs.
In this lesson, we will learn the usage of break through, break up, and break with. All the best. Break through. To successfully make a way through a barrier. To make new and important discoveries. Or to appear from behind something.
The protesters broke through the barricade.
Good.
The scientists broke through in their fight against cancer.
Wonderful.
The sun broke through the clouds.
Nice. Break up. To divide something into smaller pieces. To end a relationship. To bring to an end. To burst or come to burst into laughter.
It broke up when it hit the ground.
Correct.
Anne and Tom broke up.
Good.
The police broke up the fight.
Well done.
The clown broke up the audience. The audience broke up during the funny scene.
Wonderful. Break with. To stop continuing something that is normal or traditional.
She broke with convention and trained as a dancer.
Nice. That's all for now.
Wonderful. Well done.
Bye.